What if I told you that two people earning the same salary, saving the same amount, and even investing in similar assets could end up in completely different financial situations? One struggling to make ends meet, the other building wealth effortlessly. The difference isn't in how much they earn or even where they invest. It's in how they manage their taxes. Most people see taxes as an unavoidable expense. They work hard, earn well, and every year they give away a big portion of their income without thinking twice. Some scramble at the last minute, desperately looking for ways to reduce their tax burden, often making rushed financial decisions that don't really benefit them in the long run. Others don't bother at all, assuming tax planning is only for the super rich. But here's the truth. Tax planning isn't just about saving money today. It's about using that money to build lasting wealth for tomorrow. I'm Jitin Modi, your personal finance strategist, and today I'm going to show you why tax planning is one of the most underrated wealth-building tools available to you. I'll show you exactly how taxes affect your long-term financial growth, how small changes today can lead to crores in future wealth, and how you can start making smarter tax decisions right now. Let's start with a simple example. Imagine two friends, Rahul and Rohit, both earning Rs 12 lakhs a year. They have similar expenses and investment goals. Rahul doesn't give much thought to taxes. He pays around Rs 2 lakhs in income tax each year and invests whatever is left. Rohit, on the other hand, understands how to use tax planning strategically. By utilizing tax-saving investment options, claiming deductions, and optimizing his income structure, he reduces his tax liability by Rs 50,000 each year. At first glance, Rs 50,000 might not seem like a huge difference, but instead of spending that money, Rohit invests it in an instrument that generates a 12% annual return. Over 25 years, that single decision adds up to over Rs 6 crores. Rahul, despite earning the same income, falls drastically behind. The only difference? Rohit understood how to make tax planning work for him. This is the power of tax planning. It's not just about paying less tax. It's about making sure the money you keep is working for you instead of disappearing into the system. The government has already created legal ways for you to reduce your tax burden. You just have to take advantage of them. Most people make the mistake of focusing on last-minute tax-saving investments without considering how they fit into their broader financial goals. They end up putting money into traditional tax-saving fixed deposits, expensive insurance policies, or other options just because they offer deductions. But what if, instead of blindly parking money, you structured your investments in a way that not only saved tax but also compounded your wealth over time? That's where instruments like equity-linked savings schemes, ELSS, National Pension Scheme, NPS, and Public Provident Fund, PPF, come in. These aren't just tax-saving tools. When used strategically, they help you build wealth while reducing tax outflows. ELSS, for example, offers tax deductions under Section 80C and also provides the potential for higher long-term returns. Instead of just reducing tax, it ensures your money grows at a faster rate. But tax planning isn't just about investing. It's also about understanding how your income is structured. Salary structuring plays a huge role in tax efficiency. Many professionals fail to optimize their salary components. Things like house rent allowance, AARA, leave travel allowance, LTA, and deductions under Section 80D for health insurance premiums can reduce taxable income significantly. Another key aspect of tax planning is asset location, where you hold different types of investments. Placing high-growth investments in tax-free or tax-deferred accounts ensures that your gains aren't eaten up by taxes. Even choosing between dividend-paying funds and growth funds can make a significant impact on your after-tax returns over time. One of my clients, Priya, made this mistake early in her career. She never thought about taxes strategically. Every year, she ended up paying more than necessary, assuming it was just a part of life. When she started working with me, we identified Rs 1 lakh in unnecessary tax payments she could save annually. Instead of letting that money go, she redirected it into a tax-efficient investment portfolio. Over 10 years, that simple shift helped her build a multi-crore corpus, all from money she was already earning but had been losing to taxes. This is why tax planning should never be an afterthought. It should be a core part of your financial strategy. When done right, it doesn't just save you money. It helps you reach your financial goals faster and with less effort. But what happens if you ignore this? Every rupee you overpay in taxes today is potential wealth lost forever. If you continue to neglect tax planning, you're not just losing money. You're giving up on financial opportunities that could change your future. Over the years, that lost wealth adds up. It could be the difference between retiring comfortably or working longer than you wanted to. The difference between securing your child's education effortlessly or struggling to afford it. The difference between financial security and financial stress. And here's the real problem. Most people don't even realize how much they're losing. Because the impact isn't visible immediately, they assume it doesn't matter. But small financial leaks turn into massive financial gaps over time. The good news? You don't have to figure this out on your own. I've created a dedicated WhatsApp community where I help young professionals and families like you implement smart tax planning strategies and optimize their financial decisions. Inside the community, I share real-time financial insights, tax-saving tips, and strategies to build long-term wealth. You'll also get answers to your personal finance questions, all while keeping your number completely private. All you need to do is click the link in the description to join. The sooner you start planning, the faster you secure your financial future. Tax planning isn't just about saving money. It's about using every financial advantage available to you. The government has already created tax-saving opportunities. Smart people use them to their benefit, while others ignore them and pay the price. Which one will you choose? This isn't about evading taxes. It's about paying exactly what you owe. No more, no less. And using that saved money to grow your wealth. The difference between financial struggle and financial freedom often comes down to how well you manage the money you already earn. You work hard for your income. Now it's time to make sure your income works just as hard for you. Join my WhatsApp community today and let's take control of your financial future together. Click the link in the description. Your journey to smarter wealth